Do you want to work safely? In this e-learning module Safety, we explain how to do that. Adhering to safety regulations can even be a matter of life and death. Why, you might ask? Well, if you are not well informed about electrical hazards or the danger of contact, you run the risk of suffering severe and sometimes permanent health damage. Or even worse, you could experience severe respiratory distress, leading to death. With this e-learning, you can learn how to work safely with electricity right from your computer. This module describes the dangers of receiving an electric shock and the consequences for your body. And most importantly, you will learn how to protect yourself from these dangers. In addition to safety being important for everyone, it is a legal obligation to work safely. When you can work safely and comfortably, it reduces stress and increases the chances of reaching your retirement safely. Safety is not only about working with safe tools and approved personal protective equipment. Safe behavior and, therefore, the right actions are just as important.